Ariana Grande just launched her second capsule collection with Swarovski, and I picked up some pieces. Before we get into this video, my name is Henna, and I am an unfiltered beauty, lifestyle, and just creator. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and then let's get into this collection. I hear so many ways of saying it. I know in my original video I said Swarovski. Some people said I said it wrong, so I'm going to limit the amount of times I pronounce the brand's name. But Ariana Grande and Swarovski, that first collection came out. I pretty much almost got everything, but I definitely wanted to show you what I got from the new collection. Very whimsical, just so Ariana Grande, and they did even update the packaging. So just to quickly start, this is a new packaging. It's in blue, and then you have the new Dragonfly, which I will say comes with most every purchase. Keychain, they definitely did upgrade it. It comes with this little lobster clamp now. Collection that they did, it was the music note and it was just on ribbon, but now it is a lobster clamp. So I'm probably gonna make these few into bag charms, and then the other ones ornaments probably. But I do have a few pieces, so we can kind of break those down, try them all, and then I'll show you the packaging and what everything looks like. So the first piece, and this is what their boxes look like. So they still have Ariana Grande, Swarovski, and then they put a little dragonfly because the theme of the collection definitely is that dragonfly theme. But y'all, look at the box. It's so pretty, definitely reminiscent of the original one, but the only difference is, aside from the blue, is that dragonfly piece right there, which I don't know, I love the way this blue looks. I don't know if y'all noticed the blue in the back. It's a big stand, but then of course they make sure, they do a really great job at just packaging everything so it doesn't move in transit. But here is one of the rings. It was just so stunning. I had to pick it up. I don't think I had a ring from her original collection. The multicolor, the pink and green drop. This is actually my first ring piece from Swarovski, so I'll be really interested to see just kind of the wear on this. Definitely not an everyday wear jewelry. These are definitely more occasional jewelry. I don't know what the base metal is for the ring, but I just do know they're rhodium plated. But I don't know what the base metal is for Swarovski, and I know I asked the sales associate and they didn't know either, so they weren't able to share. Very, very pretty. I do love the way that looks, and I got it in a size where I could kind of wear it on my pointer and my middle finger, and definitely, you know, my wedding ring on this side. Very pretty. I do like this ring a lot, and I'm happy I got it. Next up is, I do have a pair of mini hoops. These are the Dragonfly hoops that I did end up picking up as well. I wasn't really sure when I saw they had, similar to the original drop, they had like the tennis style necklace. It was the flowers with pearls. Because I already got the heart one, it didn't make sense just being a better consumer and also being mindful of not just having FOMO and wanting to buy everything. I decided to skip out on the flower tennis ones. These are so pretty. They're like essentially little huggies with the dragonfly, and then they have this little drop of water on them. But when I saw these are the first piece that I really, really wanted. So I made sure to order these online even before going and picking it up, because I do have a Swarovski store here in Austin, and I could have went and picked it up. But of course I was so impatient. These are really easy to wear because I actually did pick up the huggies last time too from them. Again, I don't know what the base metal is on the post, but you could easily switch out the post based on sensitivity. If you can't wear, you have to wear precious metals or not. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in my ear. All right, I need a mirror, hold on. All right, not gonna lie, I had to do that off camera here, but here is what they look like on the ears. They are so pretty and so lightweight. You do not feel them at all, which I do wear a lot of jewelry and I do have a lot of precious metals, and sometimes they can be heavy, but these are so lightweight, but they're so pretty. I love these. I love the way they look. And I will say I do have a lot of hair, so sometimes my earrings can get a little hidden, but I do love how these look. I will say I did order another pair of earrings. They're not here yet. Hopefully I can record them in time, maybe in a separate clip to show it here on this YouTube video. If not, I'll make sure to post it on socials. But I did order their little jack bow tie ones. They're really cool and just whimsical looking. I had to pick those up, but I did order those online as well, so they are coming separately. But I do like these dragonflies. I'll go ahead and leave them on just for the duration of this video, because why not? I will say, just to give you a little tip, I do keep everything in their boxes. I store them in here. Swarovski for me is not really everyday jewelry. It's definitely occasional jewelry because it isn't necessarily a precious metal. I just can't get over how beautiful the packaging is and everything. They did a really good job with the packaging. I thought they wouldn't be able to outdo themselves. Not that I knew another collection was coming. I think it's smart that they're doing collections of Ariana Grande because clearly the first one was so successful. Listen, I'm not aesthetic at all by any means. So I did pick up a bracelet. Last time I picked up a cuff and the tennis bracelet, but this time I actually picked up their string bracelet. So it's the one that has a little ball on it and you apply it. So this is the one I got. It's a really pretty, just colorful, multicolored flower. And it almost has just like the crystals, kind of like similar to their necklaces. Let me go ahead and loosen the ball really quickly. But I was like, I want to get something different. Like I want to make sure it's not repetitive. I mean, everything's pretty and who cares, do whatever you want. But I didn't want to be too repetitive and get the same thing. But look how pretty that looks on. And just with this hand, obviously I have some yellow gold on. But if you were to just get rid of that and see, look how pretty that looks on the hand. And you can tighten it and loosen it with that ball. And wait a second, if you pair this ring, just look at the ring. Obviously, I know I have a lot of other stuff. Let me take my other rings off real quick so you can see it. But just look at this ring with the bracelet, you know? It's so pretty. All right, and then I was able to pick up 2 necklaces for this collection. Again, I wanted to be a little intentional and not get everything because I know myself. And when it comes to Ariana, all right, we are Arianators around here. So it's like, I was like, can I get it all? Can I buy it all? Can I get it all? But no, that's not smart. So unless Swarovski would like to send me PR. The girl has definitely always posted the collection, but first of all, before I even show you, look, the bigger boxes, they're so pretty in that packaging, but that's not what it's about. I got 2 necklaces. I got a choker and then I got a lariat because I loved the lariat from the original. So I was like, ooh, we could pair the lariat and a choker together and wear them alone. So I will show you what that looks like. But let's start with the lariat. So it's a Dragonfly Y lariat, and then it has these 2 color stones that matches the ring that I picked up with it. So here is what their lariat looks like. This one is definitely a lot more dainty than from the last collection. But what's really nice about the lariat is it does have the little ball on my nails. It has a little ball adjuster so you can loosen it. All right, not gonna lie to you, girl, I had to do it off camera, but here is what the necklace looks like on. And as you can see, it matches the earrings I have because I did the Dragonfly earrings, the Dragonfly lariat, and this is actually the longest length for the lariat. But I love where it's positioned. You can make it tighter and you can bring it up a little bit more and make it kind of like that, which is actually very, very pretty and cute. But I wanted to sit a little lower because I was like, let's actually go ahead and style it with this choker. But this is the choker that I went with. It's the multicolored drop. So I was like, and then here is what the choker looks like on. Look how stunning. It's so pretty. But everything just works really well. I love the multicolored droplets. It goes with the little droplets on the Dragonfly. There's some droplets right here. Even the rhinestone ring has a droplet, the multicolored flower. Everything is just so cohesive. It's very dainty and pretty. Yes, they do have the tennis flowers that you can definitely do, but I just feel like I wanted to stick to more of the dainty pieces. I can see these looking so pretty with just like dressing up, even with this outfit on right now. And then also I'm going to the Eternal Sunshine concert. So I'm definitely going to plan on mixing up some of the pieces. I'm going to mix this one and then also from the original one together for Eternal Sunshine. Gorgeous. If you're eyeing these pieces, definitely see if you can try them out in stores. If you don't have a Swarovski store, I know they're available in Bloomingdale's. And then select pieces are, I think, in Macy's as well now. As a quick little unboxing try on of Ariana's new capsule collection with Swarovski. Fairy Whimsical, just pixie Miss Ariana Grande essentially is what I get from this collection. Let me know in the comments below if there's any piece you're eyeing. What do we think about Swarovski jewelry? Are you going to be picking up anything from this collection? I'm excited to maybe see more from Ariana Grande when it comes to jewelry. I feel like she's done such a really great job with them even on this second and the first one, that I wouldn't be surprised if we continue to see more collections with this brand and Ariana. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. My name is Henna. Yes, like the henna tattoo. I post to YouTube here twice a week and daily on shorts. Follow me at the Hanan Lee on Instagram, TikTok, all those socials. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video. All right. Bye.